So we came to this exact same thing 2 years ago in the fifth wheel and had to turn around. This year we are in the motorhome. I'm 11 something. This says 12.1. We can fit under it now, although it does look tight. Oh,
Michael! What the heck, Smack? Whoa Nellie's. They've got little animals, they've got a corn maze and a hayride and games, and our kids are flipping out, and now we want a farm.
we've also heard they have the best chocolate milk here.
Yes.
No,
Grady begs to differ. He says, what do you say?
I vote against their chocolate milk.
He said there's no way. He said his is the best.
Mine's the best. I mix all the chocolate in.
So much chocolate.
Hey, hey, buddy.
What's the piggy doing?
He's eating grass.
Eating grass?
Yeah.
I'm gonna probably buy a cow when he's this age.
Yeah, this one's boy. He's cute. Hey, cow. Cow.
So it's a homeschool day here, which we've never done this before, but it's a day for all, homeschoolers to come and enjoy this. It'll be cool for the kids to meet other homeschool kids.
Can that
Got some pumpkins?
Yeah, I'd buy some.
Oh, they're not as heavy as I thought.
I didn't mean to do that. I picked up that thing and the stick came off of it.
Oh, well, okay, let's not do that again. So I told Laine, when we come back through the Midwest, or I guess heading back towards the Midwest, we've got to go to a corn maze. I've always wanted to do a corn maze because we've never done one as a family, or I've never even done one ever.
Me either.
So
they sounded terrifying, but in the daylight they're not so bad.
so when it comes to a maze, you just got to pick a path and then go.
Me and Grady will go
this way.
You guys can go that way.
We all stay
We're all sticking together.
All of these roads that we were just at comes around and back right here. So we're going the right path.
So we're doing a scavenger hunt, and we're trying to find these clues in this maze. But we really don't have a method to this. We're just wandering around.
Is there ever any method to our madness? No.
The kids are like, hey, let's go down this path. Let's go down that. I'm like, we need the process of elimination here, kids. We need to go down each one, eliminate it, cross it off. Because I've got the map right here.
Okay, yeah, let's do that. Okay.
No, it's okay. It's too late now because we've already skipped a bunch. We'd have to backtrack. So anyway, we're just gonna see if we can find some clues. Luckily, find some clues. We found one.
Cannon?
So that says radiant.
Radiant.
And what animals it got on it? Or insect?
Spider.
Okay, so put spider.
Okay, goose. We found a goose.
Okay, we found another one.
Goose.
Found humble.
Humble.
All right, we found the last one. Where did we find the last one at?
And the pig.
The pig's what?
Tail.
The pig's tail.
And here it is.
Ooh,
There
yeah,
it is.
And I'm glad.
Sweating.
How do we get out?
All right, we go through the pig to get out. Woo! We made it.
You get fun.
anyways,
That looks
that's
good.
what all I got.
I want some Coke.
6. I actually only got 5 things,
That's okay.
but we can always go back. Come back here.
Yeah, come on. Gabriel, what are we gonna do?
We just gonna drive.
You gonna drive?
Yeah.
Do you know what this is called?
What?
This is called a hayride. You know why it's called a hayride?
Why?
Because we're sitting on hay. This is hay.
Oh.
No.
Don't tractor say, Dada?
What's tractor say?
Students.
It says what?
Students.
Oh.
Wow. Do you like tractors?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's called students.
It's called a what?
Sounds like it's saying stewardess.
Students.
Stewardess?
I thought
Here we go.
I thought I could.
Oh, he does not want me to hold him.
Baby Gabriel. Mommy hold you? Oh, we're going off road, baby.
Yeah. I didn't know what we were doing. We're going into the woods.
This is awesome.
Look, we're going into the woods. It's so fun. Is anything on fire? Oh, well.
You're going to find a flower for me?
Yeah.
Oh.
You better hang on, Gabriel.
Our house is built. I'm going to
Bumpy rides making our kids sleepy. It's impossible for me to get a shot that's not bouncing all over the place.
That's a pretty cute shot.
Come here, Chason. Come here, Gabriel. Come back. Wasn't that awesome, guys?
Yeah. That was so fun. So fun.
It's a long hay ride, too. I bet we were there
Yeah.
for like 15, 20 minutes.
Yeah.
That's fun. Did you like that?
Yeah,
Yeah? You want to go play in some corn?
yeah.
Okay, let's go.
How about we play this playground?
Yep, that's where we're going. Come on.
Okay, fine.
We've been in sand pits, and we've been in ball pits. We've never been in a corn pit.
Oh, that's Grady has one.
When Grady was in public school, he did this once.
Grady, look at me.
Don't stop angeling.
All right, so what'd you get?
Carrot vegan.
Laine just got the most famous chocolate milk.
Whoa, Nellie. We read on something that their chocolate milk is amazing, so we have to try it.
What's me and you chocolate?
Without the kids,
They don't
this is called intelligence.
If we
They don't
like
even
it,
know, then they'll never even taste it.
they'll never even know. They'll be like, what happened to the chocolate milk? Like, we never bought any.
Hold on, the wind. It's very good. Very good. It tastes like a candy. Like a Christmas time.
Very thick.
Rich.
It's very thick. That's good.
It's like those chocolate suckers, you know, in your childhood.
Yeah.
Does anybody know what I'm talking about? Like a fudge chocolate
That's
sucker.
good. That's a
what
good
it
chocolate
tastes
milk. Good old chocolate milk. So yeah, we're gonna drink all that ourselves.
They don't need to know.
much
We can drink half.
You don't know. That's the story of my life. How much is it? I don't know.
You just told me to get chocolate milk, so I just got chocolate milk. Oh,
Goodness, seriously.
it's good.
That is
It's really
delicious.
good. We'll drink half and let the kids have half.
Okay. So we're going to use this as a driving tool to get them out of.
Just watch his face.
So, like, hey, who wants a drink of chocolate milk?
Come on out.
Like a
we
dinner
gotta
bell.
travel.
It's like a dinner bell.
Yeah. That's what I have in my hand.
What? I got
Dun dun. Chocolate milk. You guys want some? Yeah. Alright, hop out. Put your shoes on. You're gonna drink chocolate milk.
Oh, that's stay overnight.
Is that the best chocolate milk you've ever had?
Let me try. Mine's better, I bet ya.
Oh no, Grady, me and Mommy tried it. It's pretty delicious.
It tastes like Walmart chocolate milk.
Oh, it does not.
Mine's better.
Yeah, get your shoes on and you're talking.
This is so good.
It's so good.
Can I have you? Gabriel have a drink?
Okay, let Gabriel have a drink.
Gabriel's turn.
Next one.
Is that good?
Did you like that?
Okay, well, I want to drink.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Okay, everybody, buckle up, okay? So what did you guys think of the farm?
I thought it was cool.
What was everybody's favorite part?
My favorite part was the beans.
The what?
Beans.
The corn?
Yeah.
My favorite part was trying to find all those signs.
Yeah, in the corn maze?
And then mine went big. Say, oh, woo.
I have 3 favorite ones. Corn maze, corn pit. I was really interested in the cows because I want a cow to raise.
What was your favorite part, Mom?
I enjoyed the hayride.
I did too.
The corn maze was cool because everybody's having fun. I was just sweating and holding Gabriel, but it was still cool. But like personal enjoyment was the hayride, just watching them look and had a few moments.
It does my heart good just to be on a farm. We just love farm life. We love
Fresh
farming.
air, the smell of money, which could be translated as cow poop. Yeah.
My grandpa
So
always says, smells like money.
So this is a dairy farm. I grew up on a dairy farm. My dad milked cows for 20 years, over 20 years of his life. Ever since I was born, from the time I was born until I think I graduated high school, my dad had been milking cows. And so I grew up on a dairy farm. And so it's just homey to me because this is the life that I grew up in. And so it just does me good to be on a farm. I just love farms.
It's beautiful.
That's
Nice.
Really just like a perfect fall day.
Yeah.
I'm just thankful for this day because it was a good one.
So if you are in Pennsylvania in the fall, come to Whoa Nellie.
Whoa Nellie's. This is their 4th year. They have a different
really?
maze.
See, I didn't know that.
I talked to them in there.
Okay.
They have a different maze each year. It's their 4th year. They've got the best chocolate milk ever. They're super nice. The tractor rides are fun. Like they're long and relaxing and beautiful. And yeah, come. It's a good place. We highly recommend.
Yeah, and so as far as cost goes, it only costs us $40 to do the hayride and the corn maze for all of us, and then of course all the activities.
Under 5 are free.
Now, also while we were here, you going to the Flight 93 Memorial, because we didn't really talk about that. As far as, I mean, we showed it, but we didn't really talk about. For me, it was very, very emotional. Took me back to whenever I was a kid. I was 18 years old at the time whenever that happened, and took me back to the memory of all of it and how I felt. But being there put it in a different perspective because
From their eyes.
from their perspective, from the
what
people
they
who were actually on the
experienced.
plane and what they went through.
And their families.
Yeah.
And the people in Pennsylvania that heard the plane, saw the plane, you know. Can you imagine how terrifying? How absolutely terrifying that was.
Yeah.
We were terrified just in our, I was in high school and he was
Watching it on TV,
watching
we
it
were
on
terrified.
TV. It was terrifying because nobody knew what was going on and neither did they. But anyways, it is highly recommend Flight 93 Memorial.
Yeah.
Highly recommend it. And go on a beautiful day because you can walk the whole, there's a beautiful walk and it's just it's definitely worth going to.
Definitely. We just left our campground. We were at a Yogi Bear campground
It was a good one.
in Mills something. Mills.
There's not a lot of
whatever.
boondocking in this area. Just
No.
FYI. Boondockers.
And we knew that, so we've been staying at campgrounds, and so we just now left the Yogi Bear campground that we were at, and now we're going to be going into West Virginia, and probably not going to be boondocking there either. Probably just go to a campground because we've got 1 week to get back to Missouri,
Or a parking lot.
and so we'll just
Halloween.
yeah, or Walmart.
We've been in
parking lot.
Walmart parking lots a lot lately.
Since we left Maine, yeah.
Because we've been just traveling. We're trying to get home by Halloween.
Yep. So guys, thanks for watching. Can you guys tell them bye and thank you?
Bye.
Hope you all have a wonderful day.
Bye. Oh, you want to say bye? Okay.
What?
Adios, guys.
Okay, say see you later, alligators.
I gotta Carla's house and Mimi's house and Boss's house and bye.
Bye.
Good job, buddy. Michael! What the heck, smack?
Okay, that was...
We hit it?
No, that was my antenna. I forgot about my radio
Oh,
antenna.
heaven.
That was just an antenna. No big deal, no big deal.
Just lost the roof, kids. We're fine.